Hello, welcome back. Happy Monday. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam. For today's video, we have a little unboxing of the Chanel bag that I purchased a week and a half ago during my day trip in Vegas with my husband. Since for the most part during the pandemic we pretty much stayed at home, we didn't go anywhere, and now that both of us are vaccinated, we decided to take a little trip to a near location, Vegas, for a day and kind of test the grounds of how we feel about traveling and all that, and also to kind of celebrate that we get to go out and the pandemic is coming to an end, that we survive the year of 2020. I decided to treat myself to a new bag, and of course the first brand that came into mind was Chanel, and I really wanted to get a new color for spring and summertime, so I decided to go check it out while I was in Vegas. Before moving on, as mentioned earlier, my name is Gigi. If this is your first time watching, I usually post fashion and vlog on my channel. If this is what you enjoy watching, I hope you will join me on my YouTube adventure as I create more content, and I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy creating it. Also, I post daily on my TikTok as well as Instagram. I usually do little posts on stories as well as daily posts on TikTok as well. So feel free to join me over there and definitely say hi if you do. And for those that are returning, thank you again for joining me every week. Do leave a comment, let me know what you think of today's video. I love to get your opinion on how I could do better, or any content in particular that you would like to see more, be it vlog or fashion posts or styling posts, whatnot. Okay, now with all that said, we're gonna move on to the unboxing portion of this video. Just a quick disclaimer, because I did get this bag a week and a half ago and I was eager to start using it, this unboxing portion was filmed prior, I want to say like 2-3 days after I returned from Vegas, so it's not like unboxing right now, but I did make sure to film that for you guys and I hope you enjoy it. And this is the bag that I purchased. It's the Mini Classic Flap. It is their spring summer 2021 collection. It is their yellow color. The price of which this bag was at $3,700. For the hardware, it has this vintage matte gold finish, and same goes for the chain. The chain here, I wrapped it around, and so you can make it into like a shoulder length way to wear it like this, or you can 100% make it into a longer length, which you can wear as a crossbody. In terms of how much it can fit, I've already put some stuff in there so you guys can see. Obviously this is a mini size, so it's not like it's gonna fit a ton of things, but the sizing of it, I think it's decent enough that you can fit your essentials. Just to mention, on the back it does have this little pocket. Usually, you know, I don't put much stuff in here, but sometimes like I slip, like when I go out to the mall or something, like the parking ticket or whatnot, it's easy to just slip it back there and it's accessible and whatnot. And then inside, as you can see, I already have some stuff in there so you guys can see what I have in this bag. First thing is my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro. I don't know if the larger size of the iPhone would actually fit in here. This one fits quite snugly, and it's just like the length of it, as you can see, fits exactly to the bag. So maybe the larger iPhone might get a little bit tough to fit in here. The second thing is my mini wallet. My wallet, as I've done before in my other video of what's in my bag, it's kind of like a card wallet, but it's on the thicker end, so it's not like the super thin ones. It does have, like, you know, additional flaps here, so it does fit a decent size, but I wouldn't say this bag would fit like a actual wallet. You probably do need a card wallet and call it a day. Or if you want to use leave more space for yourself, this bag does have a little zip section here as well, so you can easily put your cards in here and leave more space out in the main compartment. And the last thing I have in here is a lipstick that, you know, I constantly use. So overall, this bag is definitely on the mini end. I personally don't mind it because I like to keep what I bring out on a minimal. I know for some people they have to have a lot of things, or they have more things that is very essential to them on a daily basis. For me, I'm pretty straightforward. I just need my wallet, my phone, and my lipstick, and maybe at times I would put like a Tide pen or something so that, you know, my clothes don't get stained if I'm wearing white or whatnot. So this size in general, it fits good enough for me, and I love the fact that, you know, I can easily wear a crossbody as well as over the shoulder. And then in addition to the bag, I also purchased this little guy. It was so cute and so petite and cute and matching, obviously, to this bag that I couldn't give it up. It is a Airpod holder with chain that you can easily attach to any bag or anything that you want to attach it to. So as you can see, this little guy, it can easily attach and detach from the bag. So if I don't use this bag, I can use this guy and attach it to something else. For the Chanel logo here, they did it in this little cute finish with kind of like a yellow and white stone-like look, and then it comes with a little chain. The chain is in a shiny gold finish instead of a matte finish like my bag, but it's very, you know, minimal, which I don't think it shows that far of a contrast to the bag itself. In terms of the snap here, you kind of just snap it open and voila. Inside you can see, and it fits the AirPods perfectly. In terms of price, this little guy goes for $825. Yes, it is a little bit pricey, but again, you know, it's Chanel, and I simply love the little details that they put into their product and kind of the novelty of it and the way it can mix and match and kind of add an accent the bag. I just really liked it. Plus, I think this was the last one they had at the store, and I was like, you know what, you know, I might as well splurge. Honestly, I was initially looking for another bag. I was looking for the handle mini, and again, they didn't have any of the mini handle flaps, so I was looking for that, and unfortunately that didn't happen this time. I think those bags were going for $4,600 something, and technically that was what I was expecting to be paying that day, And since this bag did come out a little bit under, that's why I thought, you know, it couldn't hurt to add this little guy onto it. And I just love how it accents this bag and makes it a little bit more unique too. So I made this little combo. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing as well as a little what's in my bag. If you've watched the video up until now and you haven't already, I do appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe and hit that alert button if you haven't done so yet. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you guys next Monday.